Right. Question number 3. In an object undergoing simple harmonic motion, the magnitude of the acceleration is maximum when the displacement is maximum. Correct or incorrect? When the displacement is maximum, acceleration is maximum. Correct or incorrect? Correct either. Sorry. Displacement is maximum when the velocity is maximum. No. Velocity is maximum and displacement is when displacement is zero. The magnitude of the acceleration is maximum when the velocity is maximum. No. Velocity is maximum at the center of equilibrium, but energy is maximum, acceleration is maximum when the body is at maximum displacement. Maximum potential energy is greater than the maximum kinetic energy. Same, equal. Acceleration is constant for all times. No, it varies with the displacement. Right? The answer is first one. Question number 6. An object undergoes simple harmonic motion with an amplitude of capital A. The displacement at the moment, its kinetic energy is equal to potential energy is. Answer A over root 2. Right. This is how you how to get it. So what is total energy? Total energy of the simple harmonic motion is equal to the kinetic energy and potential energy. Sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy. Right now here, the displacement at the moment kinetic energy equal to potential energy. So K equals E. Make E total K equals E. So that means total energy is equal to 2 times of potential energy. Right? So now you have to do the right? We know the total energy can be written in terms of display amplitude, which is half Ka square. Okay? Total energy again, maximum potential energy, which is half Ka square. 2 times potential energy an object under simple harmonic motion amplitude. The displacement at the right. So displacement is K. Displacement again method x scale of the E equals half K square. Right. So half K term will cancel. X squared is A squared over 2. Square root like A over root 2 is the X. Right? Total energy का maximum potential energy equal है ना क्या ना फिर A मेरा क्या ना potential energy का kinetic energy equal है मैंने क्या ला लेकिन total energy के ने potential energy वगैरह देखो ना मेरा potential energy का displacement X के लगा सकते हम half K X square half K cancel लगा ही ला X ना A over root 2. Question 7. An object undergoing simple harmonic motion passes its center with a velocity capital V if the amplitude of the motion is doubled. The velocity at it passes the center of oscillation. So maximum potential energy equal to the maximum kinetic energy. The maximum potential energy is half Ka square. Kinetic energy is half mv square. How many? Right? So make a value half mk guy, half k term में guy, we have constants. So v square is proportional to a square. V square proportional to a square. तो रहना then make it here amplitude is doubled. Amplitude का double करते हैं. Velocity में बोलते नहीं. हाँ? मुकदे नहीं. Then make amplitude capital A with velocity V. Now amplitude has doubled. Now it is 2A. So what is the velocity? Equation 1, equation 2. So 2 divided by 1. V dash squared over V squared. That's 4A squared enough. V dash squared enough. 4V. So V dash is 2V. 2V. Twice annoy. Velocity is twice. Yeah. Oh yeah. පුළුවන්. ඒක ගන්න පුළුවන්. අපිට ඩබල් කරත් තමයි අරගන්න ඩබල් එක. දැන් මැක්සිමම් වෙලොසිටි එක තමයි ගන්න ඕනේ හැබැයි ඒක. සෙන්ටර් එකේ නියන්නේ ඒ නිසා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මැක්සිමම් වෙලොසිටි. V is the maximum velocity. Right. Try the next topic. Yeah. Simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion as a projection of simple harmonic motion as a projection of circular motion. Simple harmonic motion as a projection of circular motion. The circular motion right. There is a correspondence between there's an analogy between circular motion and simple harmonic motion. Right? Let's see what is it. මොකක්ද මේ analogy කියලා බලමු. Let's suppose we have a body which revolves about a center capital O with an uniform angular velocity. So this is x, this MD is x dash. This is the horizontal diameter of this circle. This is the center at the origin. Y dash is the vertical diameter. Right? Now suppose there's a particle which revolves around this point capital O in a circle like this. The radius of the circle is capital A. At time equals 0, when the time equals 0, particle is at this position. When the position in particle again. When time equals 0, particle is at here. T equals 0 is at here. The angles obtained by this arc at the center of the circle is phi. This is known as initial phase angle. Phase angle of this motion. I'll then make a make amplitude a capital A. Sorry, radius a capital A may circle like a particle like a circular motion. Diameters දෙක තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. When t equals 0, particle is at here. Suppose it moves with an angular velocity of omega. Omega කියලා angular velocity එකකින් යන්නේ. After time simple t, the new position of the particle is at here. Right now, capital T equals simple t. Suppose this angle it makes during this time simple t as theta. Theta කියන angle එකක් මෙයා හදනවා. මෙතන මෙතෙන්ට එනකොට. Right, now see the projection of this particle. Now see the projections of this particle at this horizontal and vertical diameters. Right, what is projection means? මෙතන දැන් ඔයා normal එකක් ගහුවොත් එහෙම මෙයාගේ මේ we can shadow එකට එන්නේ at here. When time equals 0, the projection of this particle P on this horizontal diameter is at here. Is at here when t equals 0. Right? If you take it from the vertical diameter, the projection is at here. Suppose it is P dash. Projection is P dash. Now when this particle has moved to this point, where's the projection of this particle? At x dash diameter, the projection is now at here. Projection is at here. Suppose the distance from the center is x at this moment. And projection at the vertical diameter, now it is at here. Suppose that displacement or distance is simple y. Then බලන්න මේ particle එක මෙහෙම එනවා. Right, after a certain time, the particle which revolves around this center, right, after some time මෙයා මෙතෙන්ට එනවා. Suppose the particle is at here. Now where's the projection? At the center. Right? Now think about a point where the particle is at somewhere here. Where's the projection? Somewhere here, ne? මෙයා මෙතෙන්ට එනවා projection එක මෙතෙන්ට එනවා. මේකෙන් vertical axis එකේ projection එක මෙතෙන්ට එනවා. Right? When the particle has reached to this point, projection is at the same point. මේ axis එක. දැන් බලන්න මෙතන start කරපු එකේනා මෙහෙම ඇවිල්ලා center එකට ඇවිල්ලා මේ එකට ගියා. Right? Now when the particle is at this corner, somewhere here, projection is at somewhere. Right? එහෙම ඇවිල්ලා මේක මෙතනට ඉඳි y dash එක. Again projection is at the center. Now in this region, if the particle is at somewhere here, projection is x dot the projection එක මෙතෙන්ට එනවා. So what can you say about the motion of the projection? When this particle completes full circular motion, its projection has completed one simple harmonic motion on the two perpendicular diameters. Right? මේකෙන් කියලා තියෙනවා මෙතනින් පටන් ගත්ත කෙනා ඔහම ඇවිල්ලා මෙතෙන්ට යනවා. මේ projection එකත් ඔහම ගිහිල්ලා එහෙම යනවා නේද? ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයා මේ වෘත්තයේ එක වටයක් යනකොට එයාගේ projection එක diameter එක දිගේ simple harmonic motion එකක් execute කරනවා. Right? ඒ කියන්නේ එහෙනම් the projection of a particle which is performing circular motion, right? The projection of that particle executes two mutual simple harmonic motions along the two perpendicular diameters. Diameters දෙක ඔස්සේ දෙන්න vertical සහ horizontal diameters දෙක ඔස්සේ දෙන්න simple harmonic motion එකක්. තේරෙනවද? එහෙනම් circular motion එකක යන object එකක් නැත්නම් particle එකක projection එක. මෙයාගේ දැන් normal එකක් මේ axis එකේ projection එක අපිට එනවා. අන්නේ projection එක නැත්නම් shadow එක ඒ circle එකේ diameter එක දිගේ simple harmonic motion එක තමයි execute කරන්නේ. හරි? તો මේ side එකෙන් ඒක අපිට horizontal simple harmonic motion එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ පැත්තේ යට vertical simple harmonic motion එක. તો මෙයා circle එකේ යනකොට shadow එක මේ පැත්තට simple harmonic motion එකක් එනවා. මේ vertical diameter එක දිගේ එයාගේ harmonic motion එකක් තියෙනවා. Right? So we can write an expression for this x or displacement, right? So how you write x? Mevaran. This is right angle triangle. Radius of the circle is capital A. This angle is total theta plus phi. So you can write an expression for cos theta plus phi. Right? Is cos theta plus phi. Cos theta is adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So x is a cos theta plus phi. Right? So what is this theta? Right, in rotational motion, omega defined as theta over t. So theta is omega t. So displacement x can be expressed in terms of amplitude and omega from this expression. X equals a cos omega t plus phi. If you take the vertical displacement, you can get the sine value of this. This is y. So sine value of theta plus phi. Phi a sine theta plus phi. Theta is equal to omega t. Theta can omega times t. In a when expression. Vertical displacement vertical simple harmonic motion displacement y equals a sine omega t plus phi can expression there. What is this phi? This is initial phase angle. Right? So angle when t equals 0. Yes. Let me total angle in දැන් මේ question එක ගන්නකොට මේ මෙන්න මේ දැන් displacement එක දෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ length එකකින් නේ. ඒතකොට ඒ length එක relate වෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ ලොකු right angle triangle එකේ. මේකනේ. දැන් ඒක මේ displacement එක ගන්න ඒක ඕනේ. මේ ලොකු එක කරන්නේ මේකෙන් ගන්න මේ. මෙන්න මේ triangle එකේ. ඒ triangle එකේ adjacent side එක තමයි x කියන්නේ. ඒතකොට ඒකේ තියෙන angle එක කියන්නේ මේ total angle theta plus phi. Yes. From cos theta. Yeah. So now we are going to obtain an expression for displacement of the particle, which is performing simple harmonic motion. Actually, the projection. Right. Suppose when time equals simple t, the projection of this particle is at displacement of simple x from the origin. So this distance is x, right? Look at this right angle triangle. This one, this hypotenuse is capital A. This angle is theta plus phi, right? Now write the expression for the cos theta plus phi. Adjacent side is x, hypotenuse is a. So x over a is cos theta plus phi. So x equals a cos theta plus phi. So theta is the angle this particle has moved within this simple t time. Its angular velocity is omega. So omega, the definition of the omega is rate of change of angular displacement. Angular displacement theta divided by t. So theta is omega t. So I substitute t for theta from this omega t. Right? If you take the vertical displacement, this angle is theta plus phi. Same angle here. This angle also theta plus phi. And then corresponding angles is corresponding, right? The opposite side is y. Hypotenuse is a. So sine theta plus phi is y over a. Y equals a sine theta plus phi. Theta is omega t. Yeah. ඔක තමයි initial phase angle එකකින් පටන් අරගෙන එයා simple harmonic motion එකක් කරනවා නම් එහෙම expression එක. Right? This A is amplitude. Remember that. A is amplitude. Omega කියන angular frequency එක දන්නවනේ. හරි. topic එක ලියුවා නේද? right. ලියන්න. මේක ඇඳගන්න පුළුවන්. මේක ඇඳගන්න. හරියට. circle එක ගන්න. right, hurry up. පොඩි ළමයි තියෙන ටංගාල. ඔය මේ symbols මම use කරන්න. ඔය symbols මම use කරන්න දාලා දෙනවා. මේ සතිය online join වෙන්න next week ඉඳන් අපි මේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට morning පුළුවන් Sunday morning possible Sunday morning අර දැන් අර සර්ගේ class එක start කරනවා evening නේ evening possible සෙනඟ පුළුවන් Sunday evening okay බලමු ඉතින් පටන් ගන්න තරවස් කරමු ah n m and n
So you feel better.
Yeah. P is the name of particle. Particle is P. P is the particle. Make a phi, make a theta, P, මෙතන M, N, K, L. So amplitude is A. तो मैं क्या radius में circle के radius में තමයි A. Oh yeah, कदर. P equals 0. P मेरा particle है ना P P से ना particle ना. Why? Why? Ready? या मेरे पैसे का ready कर मैं बता दूँगा इन्होंने ready मेरे पैसे ready करा उन्हें बात हाँ Liam yes the particle is at the particle is at position the particle is at position capital P at t equals 0 the particle is at position capital P at t equals 0 and revolves along a circle with constant angular velocity omega. Constant angular velocity omega. the projection of capital P, the projection of capital P on the diameter along the x-axis, diameter along the x-axis is capital M. Again, method capital M method P equals 0 the projection method. Right then, at the later time, at the later time, it's the projection of the particle on the diameter along x-axis is capital N. Right? When T equals simple T, the projection is capital N. Right. Next paragraph. As the particle P, as the particle capital P revolves around in a circle anticlockwise its projection capital M follows it up moving back and forth along the diameter such that displacement of the point of projection at any time is the simple x component of the radius vector. Simple x component of the radius vector capital A. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙයාගේ x component එක. මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන component එක නේ. ඒකත් එක්ක වෙරි. Right? X component of the radius vector capital A. Right. මෙන්න component එක which is x equals a cos omega t plus phi. Right? Y component is y equals a sin omega t plus phi. එතන. මේක clear කරගන්න. X component is x equals a cos omega t plus phi. Y component is y equals a sin omega t plus phi. Right. Next paragraph. Right. Power bank in at least. Task we see that as we see that the uniform circular motion, we see that the uniform circular motion is a combination of uniform circular motion is a combination of two mutually perpendicular two mutually perpendicular simple harmonic motion oscillations or the simple harmonic motions. Two mutually perpendicular simple harmonic motions. Right. Make a mark කරගන්න this phi is initial phase angle, right? Question එකක් පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු අපි. තත්කාල අනිත් එකට යන්න පොඩි වෙලාවක්. හරි. essay question එකක්. අස්සගාලා. Now the question is question number 12. Question number 12. Arya. Tatkala baru. Question number 12. Question number 12 bala. Compare the given expression with one of these. This one or this one. ඒක විදිහට sin එකක් විතර නේද? Sin function එකක් නේද තියෙනවා. ඒතර මෙයාත් එක්ක compare කරන්න. Is 0.5 sin 2t plus 1. Yes. Yeah. මෙයාගේ angular velocity ඒ කියන්නේ circular motion එකේ angular velocity. Simple harmonic motion එකේ term එක තමයි angular frequency. මේක තමයි angular velocity එක. ඒකම තමයි angular frequency කියන්නේ එක ඒ කියන්නේ එකම physical quantity එක. අර අපි යාව කියන විදිය කියන්නේ ඒක mention කරන විදිය වෙනස්. Now make again. So x equals 0.5 sine. දැන් මේ x y කියන එක එච්චර හිතන්න යන්න එපා. ඩිස්ප්ලේස්මන්ට් එක ගන්න. x උනත් y ගන්න ඩිස්ප්ලේස්මන්ට් එක. ඔන්න. වෙන එක්ස්ප්‍රෙෂන් එක. නේ? Right. First amplitude එක ගන්න. What is the amplitude? මොන දෙයක් නෑ මේ. A is මේ corresponding value එක A is 0.5. නේද? amplitude එක වගේ තියෙන්නේ. Amplitude is 0.5 meters. Then what is angular velocity? Angular velocity में omega times t में t वोट खाली थी omega. So omega is 2. Omega is 2. Angular velocity is 2 radians per second. Angular velocity is 2. Okay. Then next frequency. Frequency is omega over 2 pi. Omega 2 pi. 7 divided by 22 mega. Period of time. Periodic time එක තමයි අහන්නේ තුනට මේක හතරට අහන්නේ. Time period t equals 2 pi divided by omega. 2 pi omega is 2. T equals 5, which is 3.14 seconds. Phase angle of this motion. Phase angle, initial phase angle phi is 1 radian. Radians are here. 1 kilometer radians are degrees away. Phi is 1 radian. Initial phase angle is 1 radian. Homework වල mark කරගන්නකො මේකේ ඔයාලට question number 16 වෙනකන් කරන්න පුළුවන්. question number 16 වෙනකන්. essay. Question number 16 MCQs වල question number 9 වෙනකන් try කරන්න. ඔය මේකේ past papers ටික next අනිත් දවස් දෙන්න.